When I was a kid, I often lay on my back during summer nights in our backyard, gazing up at the endless sky. The stars twinkled above like tiny pinpricks of light in a vast, dark canvas. Back then, I imagined them as little holes in the fabric of the night, with beams of light peeking through from another world. Little did I know, the universe was far stranger and more mysterious than I could have ever imagined, filled with wonders and secrets waiting to be explored. Let's take a journey into the unseen universe, a place so intricate and profound, it almost feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Except this tale is woven with science, where every story is real and waiting to unfold its mysteries. Imagine the smallest things you know, a grain of sand, a tiny ant, or a single drop of water. Now shrink them even further in your mind, down to a level you can't see with your eyes. We're entering the realm of the unseen, where atoms exist. Atoms are the building blocks of everything around us. Picture them as minuscule spheres, each unique, like beads of different colors and shapes. When they come together, they form everything you see and touch. Your favorite book, your pet, even the food you eat. But hold on, because it gets even more mind-boggling. Inside these tiny atoms are even smaller particles, like protons and neutrons, huddled together at the center. They remind me of a tight-knit family, clustered in warmth. And orbiting around this family are electrons, whizzing around like excited children at a playground, creating an electric dance that's the essence of life. Now let's venture deeper into the unseen universe, where things become even stranger. You've probably heard of something called light. It's what lets us see the world, feel the warmth of the sun, and makes rainbows appear in the sky. But did you know that light is also a mystery? It behaves both like a wave, flowing gently like ripples in a pond, and as particles, darting about like tiny energetic fireflies. It's like light can't make up its mind about what it wants to be, which is a delightful puzzle scientists still ponder. Speaking of peculiar behavior, let's talk about something that sounds like it belongs in a magic show: quantum mechanics. Picture a world where particles can be in two places at once, or disappear and reappear like a magician's coin trick. Imagine a place where observing something actually changes what you're looking at, like flipping a coin and it only lands on heads because you're watching it. This is the world of quantum mechanics, where the rules of common sense take a back seat and mystery reigns supreme. But the universe has even more tricks up its sleeve. Ever heard of dark matter? It's like a shadow that we can't see or touch, yet it makes up most of the universe. Imagine walking into a room filled with invisible furniture. You can't see the chairs or tables, but you feel their presence around you, guiding your steps. That's dark matter, an unseen force holding galaxies together, a silent partner in the cosmic dance. And then there's dark energy, a force so strange that it defies explanation. It's as if the universe has an invisible breath, gently pushing galaxies apart like leaves drifting apart on a pond. This unseen energy ensures that the universe is continually expanding, taking us along for the ride in a journey that never ends. All this talk of the unseen reminds me of a time I spent on a quiet beach, listening to the whisper of the waves and the distant call of seagulls. I remember thinking how the ocean seemed infinite and mysterious, hiding countless wonders beneath its surface. Just like the ocean, the universe is filled with secrets we may never fully understand, yet every discovery brings us closer to the truth. So why does all this matter? Why should we care about these hidden mysteries? The answer is both simple and profound. Exploring the unseen universe helps us understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence. It's like peering into a mirror that reflects not only who we are, but what we might become. It challenges us to ask questions about life, identity, and purpose, urging us to see the world with curious eyes and an open heart. In learning about the unseen universe, we also learn about ourselves. We discover that we are part of something immense and beautiful, where every tiny particle has its role to play. We realize that, much like the stars I gazed up at as a child, we are all connected in this vast, cosmic story. As I sit here now, reflecting on those childhood nights under the stars, I am filled with a sense of wonder and gratitude. The mysteries of the unseen universe remind me that there is always more to learn and discover. They inspire me to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to never lose the curiosity that has followed me since those early days in my backyard. And so, I invite you to join me in this journey of discovery, to embrace the mysteries of the unseen universe with an open mind and a sense of adventure. For in the quest to unravel the secrets of the cosmos, we may just find the answers to the mysteries within ourselves.